everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and we're going on with the Mark journal today, and I'm going to do the altered paper clips today. But before I do that, I was just going to show you there are two sheets in there where you can cut out the design and it fits on the back of the scripture cards, and you want to make sure you match them up to the right size because, as you can see, there's different widths. So kind of like a puzzle, you can put them together. Now what happens is if you're not careful, I glued two of my design pieces together, which is not going to work out for me. So I'm going to have to come up with a scripture to put on here and turn this into a card. And then these I did right. I glued them together with their designs and inked them. So those are ready to be put into the journal. And then I had a leftover scripture card because of this, so I just took a piece of scrap paper and made another card out of it. So you can do those however you would like, and I gotta get a scripture for that. Okay, so meanwhile, back at this, we're gonna cut these out and then I'll ink these and come back and show you how to put them together. You're gonna need 4 paper clips. I like to use the big ones, and I prefer not to use the coated ones, but I can't find one more of these, so I'm going to use 1 coated one and 3 uncoated ones. So let me cut these out and ink these, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I've got my pieces inked, and I've got an X-Acto knife because I'm going to need that in just a minute. If you have an X-Acto knife, you might want to get that out. All right, so we're going to score these little fold lines just to make it easier. And so I'm going to score it on the line, but that will be on the inside. We're going to fold it the other direction. So I think these animals are so cute. I found animals that were in the Bible and I thought, oh, this would be super cute for the altered paper clips. That donkey is my favorite, I think. I like the lion a lot though too. And the line it's a dotted line, it's very faint because I didn't want it to show, but I wanted to give you a little indication where to score it. So there it is. Okay, I'm going to fold it, and then I'm going to cut just a small slit in the top. Put a paper clip on each one of these. I haven't made these for a while. I always have to remember how it goes. And then these, let me get my little cutting board from the Dollar Tree store. And I'm going to take the X-Acto knife and I'm going to make a little slit in the middle for that paper clip to stick up through. So I'm just kind of eyeballing where the middle is and just kind of cutting it. Hopefully that'll. I guess it'd be better to cut it too big than too small because you're going to glue it shut. So what we're going to do, super easy, we're going to let this stick out through this slit in the top like that, and that gives you a little place to put a ribbon or a little piece of string or something. So now all we have to do is glue these together. So basically, here, let me pull it apart so you see what I'm doing. I'm going to put the glue all over this. And then I'm going to push the top of that paper clip up through that little hole. Grab a hold of it. And then I'm going to glue this inside clip so that it doesn't show. So move it around till it's in a place where it won't show. And then you just press it together and let it stick together. Same thing 4 times. And oh gosh. Okay. Get your little paper clip to go up in there. And then once you've grabbed it, you can kind of pull it up a little bit. And then you can't pull it too far or it pushes that inside part down and it'll show. So there is a little bit of a limit to it, but you don't need it to stick up very much. Ooh, Mr. Donkey. Super cute. Okay. I need to do some of these for the cricket because cutting these little scallops out was no fun. It'd be nice to put it in this cricket machine and have it just cut it out for you. Okay, could have cut that a little bit bigger. All right. So this one, I just want to make sure that that doesn't show. Fox and the goat, and then we have the deer and the lion. Ooh, I don't know why I'm having trouble holding on to everything today. And poke that through. Okay. It's a little messy if you don't get it through there. Okay, grab it there. And then I gotta get this glue off my fingers so I don't glue it where I don't want it glued. Get this sort of centered there. And then I'm gonna pull this up just a little bit. There. Okay. So now I'm going to get my ribbon. I'll be right back. All right, let's see. I think, so there's blue and green. I could just do the blue. I think that'd be all right. And every time I do these, I think, oh, I need to make some more of these. I have a set out there of altered paper clips for Christmas, and then I have a regular set of altered paper clips that are like butterflies and things, and there. Okay. All right, so there's that. This has got kind of the same. I'm going to do green on him. So I didn't need to worry about using the coated paper clip. It worked just fine. And this one, actually, looks like that might go with it okay. Okay, so for a demonstration, so it's, you just clip it on your page like that, or sideways, or however you want to do it, and you're good to go. That might show it better on that page. I've got that on there. maybe on here. And my donkey. There's the donkey. Okay. So anyway, you get the idea. Okay, so there is the altered paperclip project. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you like them, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.